skinnery uit los. These people that mention people's names, they don't mention because they care about Liam. They want to mess things up in the PA. For as long as the result of the deputy president is not out yet, we will not have a DP. We will wait for the investigation to conclude. And I will never... How can somebody even try to mess up this investigation that's all over the world now? We are going to have to be transparent. How many parties will do what we did? And I want to thank Good. Good, look who spoke nonsense about us, our enemies, EFF. Oh, the guy is frak. EFF is in the ICU. Hulle wag net die dag waar die masjien moet afgeskakel word. EFF, there's no politics, it's just gossip. That leader of the EFF, Malema, was a anti wat net skinder. Hy ding skinder, sy press conferences, hy praat nie van die party, doesn't talk about his party, about his policies, about what they're going to do. He just talk about individuals. Mackenzie this, Mackenzie this, Mackenzie this, Mackenzie. Me and you, we stay in expensive suburbs. How do you afford a suburb on a salary of a youth league leader? I can show how I can afford to stay there. Yeah, you mustn't play you Malema. Yes, dom ding. Yeah, dom ding. You can talk all you like. You live a billionaire lifestyle, but you can't prove. How do you even get this money to live like this? You built the house, you put the house down when you bought the house. Those rich people things, once again. In the PA, we are transparent. We are transparent. I'm not going to put anything under the carpet. I'm going to keep the so Patriotic Alliance, true members know when anything happens, they wait for me. Because they know how. We'll tell you straight up, hey, Patriots, ons het opgemorsie. Patriots this, Patriots this. We beat, Houston and them hit EFF, pop! All the by-elections we are part of, we are beating them. Now, how can I still worry about what he's got to say? People are going to his thing for gossip. He's turned the party into a skinnerhoek. Anti-Mona. EFF is no anti-Mona. Anti-Mona van Son. Is nou die EFF. Hulle moet Malema se gesig afgesit. Hy malle Emma. Hy frik. EFF is frik. Frik, mors dood. Praat niet om nonsens van die vinnig groeiendste partij. Oos Baizani. He says, you know what me and Malema has in common? We were both bank robbers. He was VBS. VBS. Me and him, we are ex-criminal colleagues. I used to rob banks. He used to do VBS. He's robbing banks too. So don't worry about these people. Press, wat sê Malema? Jy moet op Malema luister en luister wat sê jou PA mense. We are family. I want you guys to know this. En julle moet nie Baizani. Julle moet nie Baizani. Julle moet niks Baizani. Julle moet nie Baizani Patriots. Let them say what they want to say. Ons is familie. Ons is familie. We are family. We are family. Never forget it. Ons Baizani. And I'm going to come live in 48 hours to come and tell you which company. You know, P has done so well in Fuleni. Sure. In a black area. That gives me hope. That gives me hope that we are building this nation we're talking about. I can't change my past. You can hold my past against me, maar ek is 'n gewaste van die kosbare bloed van die Allerhoogste. Ek is gewas. Ek is deurtrek met die bloedkombers van die lam. Hey! Die Here is die Here. You know, God took me through the furnace. So, Jay, come my praat. Jay is a deputy God, man. You can talk. My past is my past. I'm not proud of being a gangster 30 years ago. 30 years ago. You still want to hold it against me. 30 years ago. Die Here het my vergewe. En die Here het my deur die bloed getrek. Die kosbare bloed. So julle kan maar praat wat julle praat. Everybody's PA met. Lastly, Patriots, we have, the DP has resigned as a councillor. The DP has also resigned as a MMC. We have decided to appoint a new councillor and a new MMC the mayor will appoint a new MMC. I'll give the mayor a call. Let the mayor must know we don't appoint MMCs, it's the mayor. It's his prerogative. The mayor will appoint. Tomorrow we'll tell the mayor. I want to congratulate because I called him today. I said, you know, there's a bad thing about you. He says, what, Press? I said, you've got no local government experience. You only have national. He says, that's true, Press. I said, you're about to go and fix the potholes of Gauteng, of Joburg, so that you can know when you run Pretoria what is expected of you. So I want the parties deploying Liam Jacobs as the new councillor for the Patriotic Alliance in the city of Joburg. The Liam Jacobs will be our new deployee by the party to replace leader Kenny Kunene in council. In council. We want him to get the experience and to help us fix the potholes and continue the good work that the DP has been doing. Liam Jacobs is the Tessin Susan. Congratulations, Liam. This is your chance to show people that you don't just complain and point out mistakes. This is your chance now to show people that you can lead. Net soos jy ingly, so sal jy uitgly, massakind, as jy ons mense vergeet. Moenie ons mense vergeet nie. Congratulations, Liam. Congratulations. You have shown people your heart. People have fallen in love with you. Don't disappoint them. This is your moment. Congratulations, Liam. Thank you so much. Salute, Patriots. I love you guys. Speaking 48 hours. And I want to say to you, we will be very transparent with the thing of the DP. The DP has long arranged a party for Saturday. I think 3 months ago, he was already planning there by his mom's house. So I called him. I said, you still going to have the party? He says, hoe kom dan nie? Moet ek nog nie weer lewe? Because he says, no. So yeah, I'm just telling you, that's the attitude that our DP has. He's fine. Thank you for the messages that you guys have sent to our Deputy President. It means a lot to send him that messages. And investigation, we will be very clear with you. Thank you so much, Patriots. I love you. Stand sterk. Moenie by Zani. Congress, Liam. Sure.